Next up, camping at Service Park Campground in Coffeeville, Alabama.
Again.
You've got toothpaste everywhere. I got punked into it by a 10-year-old. Was it hiking again?
No.
Help me. Good morning, everybody. We're finally back camping. It's been a long summer and not a lot of camping. We've been longing to get back out there, and we finally are. And we're here for the weekend. We've got some friends that are also camping with us, so we're looking forward to it. So stick around and we'll show you our second trip to Service Park in Coffeeville, Alabama. So, a few videos ago, you had braces. Look, no braces. She had those taken off a few weeks ago. So, that's the first set of braces, right? You have to have some more. You've got toothpaste everywhere. Try it again. Well, that was something.
It hurt.
I don't recommend 45-year-olds doing that, but I got punked into it by a 10-year-old. So,
None of my boys type like that.
well, you shouldn't dare me to do stuff. It's dangerous for people my age. About the squirrel thing.
Oh, when I was little, I watched Mickey Mouse, and you know how the squirrels, how they had those pine cones and they would always throw them at people? Well, when I was little, I always thought that was true. And,
that squirrels really throw pine cones at people?
Yeah.
They don't.
Now I know that now.
We got to go to the Dollar General. We're almost out of candy. What's this called?
Sweet tart.
Sweet tart ropes. Ropes? Pretty good. Going to the Dollar General. We made it to the Dollar General.
Dang, they only have the rainbow.
That's okay.
Wait, no they don't. They have the smaller kind.
Yeah.
I want to try that.
There we go. We need this. Yep.
Cry like a baby.
What is that?
Cry babies.
Oh yeah.
I don't cry with those.
It's a non-healthy run right here, all snacks. We made it to the place of no return. The fall decoration aisle.
Very
Help me.
flimsy.
Alright, we made it through Dollar General. We've got more snacks than we know what to do with. Back to the campground. We're in site number 8. We'll take a little walk around the site, show you what it looks like. On the camping side, you have your picnic table, park style grill, lantern hanger, fire pit and grill, and then the best part is you're right on the water. Site 8, like all the sites here at Service Park, has water and electric, no sewer, but there is a dump station. Electric is 30 and 50 amp. Uncle Phil leaving. He doesn't want to be on camera, so I told him I was going to get him leaving. We had a good time camping with him this weekend. Uncle Phil doesn't want to be on camera, so. And he's not really my uncle. I actually worked with Phil, but started calling him Uncle Phil at work. It just stuck, so. Morning. It's our last morning here at Service Park before we go home. It's a cool morning. The weather has been perfect all weekend. We found a couple of trails up the road here. I don't think they're very long, but we'll try those this morning before we leave, see what the trails are like. Made it through the pink trail. That was a nice little hiking trail there. So according to this, we may see hawks, falcons, eagles, and owls, birds of prey.
Do the chickens have large talons?
Do they have what?
Large talons.
I don't understand a word you just said.
Huh, maybe we'll see some. Okay, we did the pink trail. Now we're going to do the orange trail.
Then the blue trail.
No, I don't know. Are you sure you want to do the orange trail?
Yeah.
All right, let's see where it goes. The orange trail has hills. Straight up.
My legs are going to hurt tomorrow.
You see that hill?
Oh. Yeah. We have to go up that.
Yep, up we go. We took the orange trail. The orange trail is probably the prettiest trail here, but it's overgrown. It needs some maintenance. It somehow turned into the blue trail. The blue trail is overgrown and needs maintenance, but it was fun. We enjoyed it. It's a beautiful hike just because of the hills and all that. So be ready to climb some and climb over some falling down trees. If they maintain it, it's going to be really nice, but it does need some work. But we had fun. The pink trail, the one we all three went on this morning, was great. It was clear. You could tell that they've recently worked on that one, and it's not very long. So
I think that was my favorite one.
the pink one was your favorite?
Yeah. If you go down the orange trail, stomach might hurt.
She got scared that we were lost, so she had a little anxiety. But we got out, and we're making our way back to the camper now. So you do know you wore the absolute worst shoes to take a hike, right?
Yeah.
You want to go hiking again?
No.
You don't?
No.
We are packed up and ready to go. We appreciate you watching this video. If you would, hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss any content coming up. Service Park was great this weekend. The weather was perfect. We look forward to doing it again soon. See you then. You ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Bloopers be like,
Ready? Next up, camping at...
Next up,
Chirpity, 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 chirpity. Chirp, 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 chirp. What?
I got that on video. You going chirp, 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 chirp.
Oh.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Ciao.